Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this motion graphic in DaVinci Resolve. So let's go. Okay, here we are in DaVinci Resolve, guys. We're gonna create this from scratch. So I'm coming back to edit page and I'm gonna grab another fusion composition. Bang. I need about the same length. It's okay. So let's go. I'll start from background with alpha 0, which is transparent background. I'm gonna turn off this window, typing V, and now I'm gonna create grid. So we need a merge and we need a background here. Connect this background. So I need a black background for that. And after that, I'm gonna type in grid, and I've got few versions of grid. I'll choose this one. So copy parameters for this grid. And what I'm going to do, I need a Gaussian blur to be this grid not so obvious. So I'm gonna go with 0.2. And at the end of the node tree, I need a vignette. Okay, so let's holding shift and drop it here. And I want to go down to 0.5, let's say, maybe more, maybe 0.6. Okay, fine. The next step is we're gonna create these circles that's coming from the middle. So we need a merge, and now I'm gonna grab background, and color of this background, I need to connect it to merge, and color of this background will be kind of gray, something like this. So after that, I'm gonna grab ellipse, and ellipse will be not solid. So as you can see in default, I've got this is connected. So you need expression height. You can connect height to width. If you follow my channel, you know that very well. And now I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, something like that. Solid is unchecked. We need make border with 0.3. And now I'm gonna grab these two nodes, and underneath I need duplicate, and I'm gonna make this duplicate times 6, let's say. And I want to change size. It's gonna be something like that. And as we can see, we need to change border width. So holding control, so I need to be something like that. And I think the color of this circle is not accurate, so it should be a little bit lighter. What we need to change here is go to grid, go to settings, and change it to 0.2. Oh, way better, guys, way better. We need to go to duplicate and change blend to something like this. Okay, 0. Maybe 6. No, maybe not. Maybe 0.7.5. Next step, we're going to grab icons. So I need another merge, and I'm gonna grab background here, put it somewhere there, connect it. That's gonna be transparent background. And next thing, I'm going to go media pool, and I'm gonna grab this icon, which you can see on the left. You can find it on flaticon.com. If you type in person there, then you can find this ink icon. I even name it, so it's gonna be, let's say, icon. Okay, and I'm gonna connect it to the background, and I'm gonna go to this icon, and after that I need generator, so that's gonna be color generator. I'm gonna connect it like that, and below color generator I need soft glow, and soft glow needs to be with more gain. So what we need to change here, so I need to hold shift and take the soft glow here. Now it works better, it works properly. And okay, now we need to change parameters, so maybe not too much gain, something like that. Below this merge, I need transform, and I'm gonna change size to 0.15. Okay, cool. And as I can see, I need to manipulate gain. Okay, I changed to 0.827. Now I'm gonna select soft glow, type in duplicate, shift space and duplicate. And I'm gonna go to duplicate path, duplicate a long path, go to points. Now we're going to locate the icons. So we need actually about, let's say, 8 icons, and I'm gonna select where I want them. Here, 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 We got 2, 4, 6, 7, and let's say 8. Okay, and now we've got all guys around, very easily made. And now I need to go to soft glow because I can see it looks different when we've got more of them. Let them be more shiny, and holding Control, I'm gonna increase gain like that. Okay, and the last step that will be, I'm gonna create this radar effect. So I need another merge, and I need a background here. Connect that. Oh, that's not mask. Just connect to the green output. Go to the merge, to go to the background, sorry. And I need this color, so you can copy hex code if you like. And I'm gonna grab ellipse. Bang. So as you can see, height and width is connected by expression here. And I'm gonna make it way bigger, something like that. I'm gonna need another ellipse, which will be subtract. Height and width is connected as well. And I need to go to border width, hit expression here, and link it to the width. And uncheck solid, go to cap style to flat. And I'm gonna make it kind of like almost the same. That's gonna be length of the radar of the mask. Okay, so let's go to the first ellipse and make it even bigger, something like this. And this ellipse, we need to change a length, like something like this. And we need to go with soft edge, move it, put it up, something like that. To achieve this effect, we need to go with width of that ellipse and maximize it to the end that you can't see any border there. What else we need to do? We need to go to the first ellipse and make soft edge, so then radar won't be, you know, there's not going to be any rough edges at the end. And if we go to the angle of this ellipse, if we move it like that, okay, so that's going to be radar. And now I want this angle, double click on the numbers, hit equal here, we've got expression, and I am going to type in time. So when you play, that's going to be going around, okay? And I want to go to the right side, I mean clockwise, so I need to type in minus before time, and now it's gonna be clockwise, okay? And I'm gonna go to the merge and change blend to 0.4, or maybe it's too much, 0.6, okay? Okay, and now what we need to do, just grab this second ellipse and mask the second merge where the icon was built. So now when you play it, the effect is ready. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to learn more about motion graphics in DaVinci Resolve, watch this video next. See you there.